Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do another Outre wig. Yes, another Outre wig. This one is in the style Azalyn. It's a 28-inch and it's in a color chocolate frost. It's like this nice dark brown with a few little highlights in it. Like a little blonde, like ash blonde highlights. But this hair is pretty cute. I did fluff it out and comb it out. In the package it's like really flat, but I just wanted a little more body to it, so I just finger combed her like this and just put a little more volume. And also I just tucked it back a little bit more because I do not want the hair in my face all the time. It is hot here in New York, so I don't want the hair in my face. But this hair is really cute. I installed it in less than 10 minutes as usual with the Outre wigs. Very simple, quick and easy hairstyle to go. You don't have to do too much. The hair is very soft. It is a longer unit, so it does tangle a little bit at the ends, and that's normal with longer units. But it's nothing too crazy. And it doesn't have a lot of lace, so I couldn't really pluck and kind of manipulate and make it look like a natural look. So I just tweezed a little bit the parting and then put my powder as usual. So if you guys like this, just keep watching and see how I install this look, okay? So once again, this is the Outre lace front wig in Azalyn. It's a 28-inch. The color that I got it in is chocolate frost, and this is the card so you can see the model. Here's the construction of the inside of the wig. As you can see, it's not a lot of lace. It's just a little lace in the part and in the front. And then here's the parting space. It's like a side part swoop kind of effect on this unit. So I did powder the inside of the lace. I used my NW45 Max Studio Fix powder. The wig does fit comfortable. It was not snug whatsoever, and I have a bigger circumference and it fit pretty well. So now I'm just going to go and clip the hair back, and then I'm going to start cutting that lace. See, it doesn't have a lot of hairline, but we're just going to make it work. So I'm just going to cut all the lace, and then I'm going to go in and adhere my spray to lay the wig down. So after I cut the lace off, I'm about to use my even spray, and I'm just going to do 2 coats. I was too lazy to use my blow dryer, so I just used the fan. So I'm just going to cool it down, make sure it gets tacky, and then I'm going to add hair. So just watch me do this 2 times. So now I'm just lightly tweezing that part and opening up that part a little bit more. So I also powdered the part, and also I kind of touched up those areas that's not really secure. So so I resprayed those areas, and then I also used my color touch-up pen or touch-up wand to kind of define that part.
You can't say that I'm going nowhere, 'cause you don't know where I'm coming from. And you can't say that I'm going nowhere when I have been trying to reach you for so long. Friends say I've got something wrong.
So now I'm just going in and creating baby hairs. Y'all know I'm not the best at baby hairs, but I just wanted to make it look a little more realistic instead of wiggy. So I just decided to put a little 2-3 swoops in the hair just to make it look a little more natural. And then I just decided to fluff out the hair. So I just finger combed and pulled it through just to give it more body. I know in the card it looks a little more flat, but I just wanted a little more body and a little more volume to this hair. So I'm just gonna finger comb through it. So I just used a little bit of Got2b just to lay that part down. I was trying to figure out how I wanted to style this unit. I did not want it in my face. I was like, should I braid it? Should I put it to the back, ponytail, something? I was just trying to figure out because I was so confused like what to do. I did not want that part in my face. It is hot, okay? So I did not want that in my face. So I just decided to tuck it back just like that. Just have the swoop and tuck it back. Boom, just like that. It looks cute. I love the color. I love the pattern of this unit. It was very nice. It is not heavy whatsoever. It was quick and easy to install. And that was that. I am going to show you from the side how this unit looked and also how it is standing up. That's the ends of the unit. It is like a long unit. It's like a 28-inch. Because it went all the way down to the bum because I'm 5'5", just for reference. And it was cute. It was cute. It was simple. It was easy. And I hope you guys liked this tutorial. And if you guys tried this wig, let me know if you did and how you guys liked it and what color you got it in. But all in all, that was it. And I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. And I do have other Outre videos if you want to watch and see. So thanks guys. If you like this install, I have other Outre installs. All you have to do, girl, is just click right here and you get to see my other tutorials, okay? I'm waiting. I'm waiting, babes. Yes. Okay. Click it. All right.